active women who participated in all the 3 surveys. Tuko pamoja, associated with what has been happening in Kitui County. 5% of the women are aged out because they have become 50 years.
So from the findings, it has been realized that the family planning use has been inconsistent because of the erratic supply of the family planning commodities, and this is basically from KEMSA, and it is not a Kitui issue because the problem with KEMSA is countrywide. So because of that, you find the data has been going down, and today we are, since 2019, which was about 73%, now today we are 41%. The inconsistency is worrying because this means that the population may go up when there is no family planning.
We have seen that the women who are not currently using a method of contraception, it is only 14% who said they had a plan of using family planning in the future. So we find that around 85% are not planning to use family planning in the future, and so it requires the county then to move and sensitize the women on need of using family planning, and also to make sure that they are also talking to the women who are discontinuing use within the years. And so it will be important for the county to do demand generation and also to sensitize the women to make sure they can start using because they have unmet need for family planning.